beat I've been making here is like HYB by J. Cole and Central C. I've started off with chords and I've gone with a 1-6-5 progression. Then pretty much all I've done is you build a normal triad chord like this. Then what you want to do, you want to put the third up an octave like that. And you want to strum them out like this. And you do the same for the others as well, the other two notes. And then you just add in little filler notes with your ear. Best practice with this is to use the chord notes. So here, that's just a C sharp. And you just use a C sharp there. See what I mean? It makes it cohesive. Same thing with the counter melody. Basically, just use the chord notes as much as you can to make it sound cohesive and together. Where if you just use notes that are far apart from it, it doesn't really sound together and it sounds all over the place, so they don't really gel. But yeah, this is what it sounds like. This is just a guitar from Contact 7. And it's the Electric Sunburst Dulux. And the preset is Bonfire. But I will say, for you broke producers out there, you can just use Ample Guitar Light. This is Ample Guitar Light, this is what it sounds like. I've got it as a layer. As you can tell, it is good enough. That's up an octave. But I like it like that. I think it sounds pretty good. And then I've also got, to be fair, I've got a lot of effects on the main guitar that I did. So what I've got on here is I've doubled it up, but on here I've pretty much just got a limiter to turn it up because it was quite quiet, some Valhalla Vintage Verb, EQ to take out the lows because I wanted the bass to be hitting a bit harder, some chorus, and a bit of compression to tame the peaks. Nothing major. Next thing I did, I got the main melody, I consolidated it by pressing Ctrl Alt and C, and I made this atmospheric layer. So this is just the guitar with these effects, with this effect chain on it. So again, some Valhalla Vintage Verb, some Growth Beat, just with this on. I just played around with it, just gives it a bit of extra rhythm. Another Valhalla Vintage Verb. So I've got one that's like not on too much, and I've got one that's just full, so it drowns it out, and then just some, again, some EQ. I'll just basically take out the highs and the lows. I find doing these atmospheric layers, they fill up bits of the frequencies to make it sound more full. I don't know the correct term for it, but it just sounds more full to be just listened to on its own. When the rest of the beat plays, it just adds that atmospheric layer. Then what I've done here, I've got the keys. So these are just the chords, but they're not strummed out. They're just played normal, basically, but they're still up an octave. Like the third is still put up an octave. So all these top notes here are the third. It's just put up an octave like that. So it's just the same, but not strummed out, basically. And you got hi-hats, just your standard drill pattern really. Second hi-hat, rim, then just 808. One last thing here actually, what I did was, you're about to hear it, so I used a automation clip on a plugin called Cymatics Origin. And I literally use this preset here. So I made my own, but it's basically called Throwback, and pretty much it just makes it that underwater effect. So it does this. This is the full beat.